Hello students, so we are going to take up today the preparation of phenol. So how to prepare phenol, right? So first we take up from chlorobenzene. The name of reaction is by-dose process, or how do you prepare phenol from dose process. So what do? We take chlorobenzene and we fuse this with sodium hydroxide. Fuse means we treat this with at very high temperature and at very high pressure. तो हम क्या करते हैं, टेम्परेचर रखते हैं अराउंड 573 to 623 Kelvin and pressure is almost 300 atmospheres. So at this temperature, when sodium hydroxide is fused with chlorobenzene, तो chlorobenzene का chlorine will combine with hydrogen. Why? Because hydrogen has affinity with chlorine, so you are going to get what? HCl. अब क्या बचेगा? You are left with ONA. So you get on benzene ONA. Name of the product is sodium phenoxide. Now this sodium phenoxide is treated with dilute hydrochloric acid. Now sodium is positive, so now this combines again with chlorine and forms sodium chloride, leaving behind the main product phenol. So this is very interesting, right? So please see that there are children, what do? They take Cl from here, Na from here, they show formation of NaCl in first step and that is wrong. तो ये आपको इसका step पता होना चाहिए. Okay, likewise we take up the second when we prepare phenol from benzene sodium sulfide. Now when we take benzene sodium sulfide, now this is treated with two molecules of sodium hydroxide. Okay, again the pressure and temperature conditions are same. So at very high temperature and pressure, what will happen? This sodium combines with sodium sulfide to form Na2SO3, right? Na2SO3, sodium sulfide is formed. Now what is left? OH from here, right? And the second molecule of NaOH is there, so OH and H forms water. Now you are left with again ONA. So in place of SO3Na, you get ONA, substitution reaction, and you get sodium phenoxide, right? Again it is treated with dilute HCl, so sodium combines with chlorine and you get NaCl along with phenol, right? So the reaction is very interesting. Now third reaction is preparation from benzene diazonium chloride. So when we take benzene diazonium chloride, what do? We hydrolyze this. So for hydrolysis, we take in presence of dilute sodium sulfide, right? So what will happen? Nitrogen, when we treat, so nitrogen is released. This chlorine combines with hydrogen to form HCl, right? And what are you left with? OH. So the product is phenol. Children, so benzene diazonium salts are very important. Like Grignard reagent, you can prepare aromatic compounds using benzene diazonium salts. Okay, so this is again one of the important reactions. Now fourth preparation, which is very important, is from cumene. So this is cumene, right? Benzene is linked with CH3, right? Now this is treated with oxygen. So when cumene is treated with oxygen, this oxygen molecule attacks on carbon hydrogen, and what do you get? This remains as such, CH3, CH3, this remains same, and your benzene ring is same. Here you get OOH, right? So the compound form is cumene hydroperoxide. क्या compound बना है? Cumene hydroperoxide. Okay, now what happens when we treat this with dilute hydrochloric acid? So this is so interesting. It breaks into acetone. So you get CH3CO, CH3 or propanol, right? And what are you left with? OH group and benzene. So this forms phenol. Now why the process is important? Because you get two important products. One is acetone, the second one is phenol. So these are the four important methods by which you can prepare phenol, right? So what you have to do is you have to practice these equations well, right? Okay, thank you.